Welcome to Autodesk Certified Expert-Led Courses page. In this short video, I will be explaining what our expert-led courses are, how do they work, and what can you expect, and how to sign up. So Balkan Architect is an Autodesk authorized training center. This means that along with our regular courses, we now offer the Autodesk certified courses as well. Below on this page, if you just scroll down, you can find all of our Autodesk certified courses that we're offering. Now, you might be wondering what are Autodesk certified courses and what's the difference from our regular courses. So all of our regular courses are on-demand video. This means that you purchase the course or get a subscription, and then you can view the course on our website and download the project files. But if you get, for example, our beginner to intermediate level course and get that as an Autodesk certified course on this page, this means that you will get the same content, so the course videos and the project files, but in addition to that, you will get Autodesk Revit software for the duration of the course. The beginner course is 2 months long, so you will get Revit software for 2 months. For these 2 months, you will also have access to weekly live calls with our Autodesk certified instructor, so that you can ask any questions that you might have. And at the end of the course, there will be a simple test. You need to complete it. No worries, it's not going to be hard. And once you finish this test, you will get a certificate from Autodesk that looks like this. Now, once the course is over, you will keep access to all of the course videos and project files. And when it comes to these live calls, they will usually be on work days at 4 p.m. Central European Time. And don't worry if you miss any or even all of them, that's not going to be a problem. They will be recorded, and each of these recordings will be sent to you. And of course, you can send us messages via email and even arrange quick personal calls with our instructor if necessary, if you ever feel stuck. Now, these courses are done in small groups. You can see the availability and the starting dates of these groups if you scroll to the bottom of this page. Now, keep in mind that they might sell out quickly, so if you want to start with the next available group, open the page and purchase the course to reserve your spot. So to recap, with our expert-led Autodesk certified courses, you purchase the course. Once it starts, you get access to Revit software. You follow along with on-demand videos on the website, and then we meet up every week to discuss progress and answer any questions. At the end, there's an easy test, and then you get your Autodesk certificate.